As I said, this is the very last round, and this round is called the rapid fire round. Can we have the format of the round for the students? Okay. Each team will be given 40 seconds. 20 marks will be awarded for each correct answer. So Team A, when I start my question, that's when your timer will start, and I will only take one answer. The moment you say pass, and maybe you say pass and then your partner answers, your answer will be invalid, all right? So only one answer. Ready? Okay. So here is the first rapid fire question. Your first question is, name any one festival celebrated by the Apatani tribe. Green. Correct. What is the election symbol of BJP? Lotus. Correct. Name the official language of Arunachal Pradesh. English. Correct. Which planet has the most moons? Saturn. Correct. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. Correct. What is the next prime number after 11? 13. Correct. Name the first president of United States. George Washington. Correct. The Indian national bird is? Peacock. Correct. How many time zones does India have? Pass. What is the election symbol of Congress? Hand. Correct. Fill in the blanks. You can't judge a book by its dash. Cover. Correct. Name the name number of fundamental duties in Indian Constitution. 6. Incorrect. Okay, that was the rapid fire round for Team A. Please, I don't know about them. I have to wipe my sweat first. That was a tough one. Okay, all right. Okay, that was a nerve-wracking round there. Well done, Team A. Okay, let me just make some marks here. Okay, Team B, ready? So like Team A, you will get 40 seconds. You have to answer as many questions in that, answer as many answers in that 40 seconds, all right? So here goes your rapid fire question. Your first question is, who discovered America? Pass. Which empire was ruled by Akbar? Pass. Name the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal. Kamran Maleswari. Correct. The largest desert in India? Thar. Correct. True or false? Tenemena is the first northeastern woman to climb Mount Everest. True. Correct. What is the election symbol of AAP? Broom. Correct. The national tree of India is? Banyan. Correct. Animal known as the ship of the desert? Pass. Camel. What is the H2O commonly known as? Water. Correct. What planet is known for its rings? Jupiter. Incorrect. What is the pH of pure water? 7. Correct. Okay. I hope it was marked. There was one answer where a person said, one of the ladies said the right answer, but before that somebody said pass, so I could not take that answer, so kindly mark that. All right. Ready? Team D? Team C. Ready? Okay. Let me just make some changes here. Okay. If Team C is ready, here goes your rapid fire question. Your first question is, which city hosted the 2010 Commonwealth Games? Pass. True or false? 2009 Slumdog Millionaire won Oscar for Best Picture. Pass. Which movie features the song Let It Go? Frozen. Correct. Who is the director of RRR? Pass. Who is known as the Make in India Initiative? Who is known for making Make in India Initiative? Pass. Which leader is also known as Tiger of Mysore? Tipu Sultan. Correct. Name the longest serving Prime Minister of India? Narendra Modi. Incorrect. Who is the Home Minister of India? Amit Shah. Correct. Who founded the Aam Aadmi Party? Pass. True or false? Nathuram Godse assassinated Rajiv Gandhi. True. It's incorrect. He assassinated Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Team C, it's all right. You have done really good. Okay. Team D, ready? Here is the rapid fire question for Team D. Team D. In which year did World War II end?
1945.
Correct. Who led Nazi Germany during World War II?
Adolf Hitler.
Correct. Which Japanese city was bombed after Hiroshima?
Nagasaki.
Correct. Ukraine is still facing a conflict with Russia in 2025. True or false?
True.
Correct. Which US state is the largest by area?
Alaska.
Correct. Who was the last British Viceroy of India?
Pass.
Where is the Sanchi Stupa located?
Pass.
Circumference of a circle?
Pass. Pass.
Mohenjo-daro is located in which present-day country?
Pakistan.
Correct. What religion did Ashoka promote after Kalinga War?
Buddhism.
You passed. Name the city served as the capital of Mauryan Empire.
Pass.
Okay. This was the rapid fire round. It was a nerve-wracking one. Audience, आपके लिए कैसा था? Was it nerve-wracking? It was. Have you already decided who the winner could be?
Yes!